Good morning, everyone. So, in the online class, I've already introduced you this topic. That was the capital needed in farming. So, where will the capital come in the farming? So, let us start. You have already seen that modern farming methods require a great deal of capital. So, that the farmers now need more capital than before. So, modern farming methods in modern farming methods, what you have to do, you have to buy the new machineries required, you have to buy from the market. Seeds, you have HYV seeds, you have to buy from the market. Chemical fertilizers, you have to buy from the market. You have to take electric supply. For that you have to pay a rental to the government. Okay, so अगर आप देखेंगे तो बहुत सारे चीजें आप मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड्स में वो लगाते हैं जो आपको मार्केट से खरीदनी होती है. एंड टू बाय एनीथिंग फ्रॉम मार्केट यू नीड मनी. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर कैपिटल. नाउ लेट अस सी. Most small farmers have to borrow money to arrange for capital. They borrow from large farmers or the village money lenders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. The rate of interest on such loans is very high that they are put in a great distress to repay the loan. So, small farmers, what they do, ये छोटे farmers क्या करते हैं? They do not have money in the bank. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि इनके पास बैंकों में बहुत पैसे रहते हैं, because they are poor people. Okay, they have got a poor history as well. Okay, so what they do is they take money from the money lenders से या traders जो market में सेल कर रहे हैं सामान, जैसे सीड शॉप से, फर्टिलाइजर शॉप से, ये सारे लोगों से वो क्या करते हैं, वो मनी लेते हैं, वो पैसे लेते हैं या उधार पे सामान लेते हैं. एंड दे promise to repay it in the future. Okay, now here a story is given of a farm laborer, that is Savita. Savita is a small farmer. She plans to cultivate wheat on her 1 hectare of land. Besides seeds, fertilizer and pesticides, she needs cash to buy water and repair her farm instruments. She estimates that the working capital itself would cost minimum of 3,000. She does not have money, so she decides to borrow the money from Tejpal Singh, a large farmer. So what is condition of Savita? Savita, she calculates that when if she has to cultivate her 1 hectare of land, अगर उसे अपनी 1 hectare of land cultivate करनी है, उसके लिए उसे seeds चाहिए, fertilizers चाहिए, pesticides चाहिए. Okay, and she also requires some cash from which she can buy water and she can repair her farm instrument. जो भी टूटे हुए चीजें हैं उन्हें उसे रिपेयर करना है. So how much she calculates? She calculates that to do all such things or to fulfill all this, how much cash she requires? She requires 3,000. उसे 3,000 की जरूरत है. And where does she take money from? She borrows the money from money lender, and he is Tejpal Singh. Tejpal Singh agrees to give Savita the loan at an interest rate of 24% for 4 months, which is very high interest rate. So how much he charges? He charges 24%. Okay, that I'll give you money for 4 months. मैं तुम्हें 4 months के लिए पैसे दूंगा, but when you give me back this money, उसमें 24% extra होने चाहिए, वो होगी interest. Savita also has to promise to work on his field as farm laborers during the harvest season at 35 rupees per day. As you can tell, this wage is quite low. Savita knows that she will have to work very hard to complete harvest on her own land, and then work on then work as farm laborer for Tejpal Singh. The harvest time is very busy time. As a mother of 3 children, she has a lot of household responsibility. Savita agrees to these tough conditions as she knows getting loan is difficult for a small farmer. So on what condition Tejpal Singh provides her loan? That I'll give you loan, but you have to give me 24% extra after 4 months. Okay, apart from that, you have to work as a farm laborer. तुम्हें मेरी farm पे work करना होगा as farm laborer, and for that I'll pay you only 35 rupees. So imagine अगर ये condition नहीं होती, Savita would have worked on somebody else's land at that time and she would have earned more. ठीक है, जो 35 है वो शायद 100 होती, 150 rupees होती, and that would help her in repaying the loan. and apart from that, the harvest season is very very busy time. उसे harvest अपनी भी crops harvest करनी है. So she has to do work on her own land. Apart from that, she has to work on Tejpal Singh's land, and she has to also take care of the house. And how many children she has? She has 3 children. But she agrees to all this difficult situation. She agrees to all these circumstances. Why? Because she knows that getting loan for a poor farmer is very very difficult, which is her myth. This is completely wrong. It's very easy to get loans, but when you go to banks, when you go to public sector to take loan, it is very easy. But these people, since they are poor, since they are illiterate, they fear going to banks. So they prefer going to money lenders, and this is how money lenders they take advantage of it. In contrast to small farmers, the medium and large farmers have their own savings from the farming. They are thus able to arrange for capital needed. How do these farmers have their own savings? You shall find the answer in the next section. So how these farmers have their own saving? Pretty obvious. The things that they sell in the market, जो भी extra, जो भी surplus वो market में sell करते हैं, उससे जो उन्हें पैसे मिलती हैं, what they do it, they deposit it in bank and they use it in the time of scarcity. Now, we have read about the 3 factors of production: land, labor, and capital. How they are used in farming. Let us fill in here this fill up is given. Let us do this. Among the 3 factors of production, we found that labor is the most important, most abundant factor of production. There are many people who are willing to work as farm laborers in the village, whereas the opportunity of work are limited. They belong to either landless families or dash. They are paid low wages and lead a difficult life. So there is a fill up that is given. Basically, what you have to do in this is you have to write about the equality and inequality. You have to write about the employment and unemployment, and you have to fill this. This you can do on your own. Now let us move to your next section. That is. So I hope you have understood why poor people, they do not go to villages. To the banks. Now, let us see the sale of surplus farm products. Now, when they have extra, what do? Let us suppose that the farmer has produced wheat on their land using the 3 factors of production. The wheat is harvested and the production is completed. So, what do the farmers do with the wheat? They retain a part of the wheat for the family's consumption and sell the surplus wheat. Small farmers like Savita and Govind's son has little surplus wheat because their total production is small, and from this a substantial share is kept for their own family need. So it is the medium and the large farmer who sell wheat to the market. So who are the people who sell wheat to the market? The medium and the large farmers. ठीक है, जो medium और large farmers होते हैं वो market में sell ज़्यादा करते हैं because they have more surplus to sell in the market. ये छोटे farmers जो होते हैं, जो सविता और गोविंद सिंह के sons जैसे जो farmers होते हैं वो उतना ही produce करते हैं जितनी उनकी self consumption हो जाती है. Okay, so they contribute less because they have less surplus to sell in the market. In picture 1.1, you can see the bullock cart streaming into the market, carrying loads of wheat. The traders at the market buy the wheat and sell it further to the shopkeepers in towns and cities. So traders, what do they do? They sell these surplus to these farmers. They sell it to the traders, and traders they further sell it to the shops. And this is how the wheat and other farm products are available to you in the market. Tejpal Singh, the large farmer, has a surplus of 350 quintals of wheat from all his land. So he has how much surplus? 350 quintals. ठीक है, 350 क्विंटल्स ही सरप्लस अपनी फैमिली कंजम्पशन के बाद उसके पास कितनी बचती है? 350 क्विंटल्स. He sells the surplus wheat at Raiganj market and has good earnings. So what does he do with the surplus thing? He sell it in the market, Raiganj market he sells, and he has good money. Okay, he has good income. What does Tejpal Singh do with his earning? Last year, Tejpal Singh had put most of the money in his bank account. Later, he used the saving for lending to the farmers like Savita, which were in need of loan. He also used the saving to arrange for working capital for farm in the next season. This year, Tejpal Singh plans to use his earning to buy another tractor. Another tractor would increase his fixed capital. So, what does Tejpal Singh do with his money? So, last year, what he had done, he had kept all the money in the most of his money in the bank, and he used it later to give money to the poor farmers like Savita. So again, that is earning because Savita is not giving him the amount that he has lended her. ठीक है, अगर उन्होंने 3,000 सविता को दी है, so as a return, Savita is going to add 24% extra to it and give it back to him. Okay, so again that is his earning. Apart from that, what he is going to do is this year he is planning to buy a tractor. So अगर वो tractor खरीद लेते हैं, that means his that will aid to his farming. उनकी farm products और अच्छी होंगी और better होंगी, and apart from that he'll also have an additional fixed capital. Like Tejpal Singh, other large and medium farmers sell the surplus farm products. A part of earning is saved and kept for buying capital for next year season. So, like Tejpal Singh, this is what all other farmers they do. The large farmers and medium farmers they do the same. They keep the money in bank, and in the time of scarcity, जब उन्हें ज़रूरत होती है, what do? They bring out the money from the bank and they use it for buying various farm products. या जो भी जहाँ भी उन्हें capital की ज़रूरत होती है, they can easily take the money from the bank. Thus, they are able to arrange for capital for farming from their own saving. Some farmers might not use saving to buy, some farmers might also use saving to buy cattle, trucks, or to set up shops. As we shall see, these constitute the capital for non-farm activities. So what other people they do is, ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है that if they have the money from surplus farm product, उसे farming में ही ज़रूरी नहीं है use करना. They use it for other purposes like shopkeeping and buying cattle. So they are your non-farm activities. अब आपकी ये non-farm activities क्या होती हैं? Other than farming, क्रॉप ग्रो करना, कल्टीवेट करना, इरिगेट करना, इसके अलावा apart from this all other activities they fall under the category of non-farm activity. Like your first it is given dairy, the other common activity. Dairy is a common activity in many families of Palampur. People feed their buffaloes on various kinds of grass and the jawar and bajra that grows during the rainy season. The milk is sold in Raiganj, the nearby large village. Two traders from Shahpur town has set up collection cum chilling centers at Raiganj, from where the milk is transported to far away towns and cities. So you know all these things that you see these days, no, आपके वो जो पैकेटेड मिल्क आती है ना, सुधा, मदर डेयरी, ये सब कहाँ से आती है? ऐसा थोड़ी है कि मदर डेयरी का खुद का इतना बड़ा प्लांट है या इतनी ज्यादा मिल्क प्रोडक्शन है कि वो अपनी ही मिल्क को पैक कर रहा है. रादर व्हाट दे डू इज दे कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम द स्मॉल टाउन्स. ठीक है, छोटी छोटी जगहों पे उनके ट्रेडर्स, उनके सप्लायर्स होते हैं. ये सप्लायर्स अपनी एक कलेक्शन और चिलिंग सेंटर्स बनाए रखते हैं जहाँ पे मिल्क को ठंडा रखा जाता है ताकि पैस्चराइजेशन ना हो, मिल्क खराब ना हो. ठीक है, सॉरी, मिल्क खराब ना हो. ठीक है, ये सब रखते हैं. और वो क्या करते हैं, फर्दर व्हाट दे डू इज फर्दर दे सप्लाई दिस मिल्क टू द बिगर प्लेसेस, या जहाँ पे ये इनकी पैकेजिंग होती है, यहाँ वो पैकेट में सील होते हैं. An example of small scale manufacturing in Palampur. अब छोटी सी एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट भी है पालमपुर में. लेट अस सी. At present, less than 50 people are engaged in manufacturing in Palampur. Unlike the manufacturing that takes place in big factories in towns and cities, manufacturing in Palampur involves very simple production methods and are done on a small scale. They are carried out mostly at home or in fields with the help of family laborers. Rarely are लेबर्स हायर्ड. सो नाउ व्हाट दे हैव डन इज, पालमपुर में एक छोटी सी उन्होंने एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट भी खोली हुई है जहाँ पे बहुत थोड़ी, जैसे आपकी छोटी सी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट इन सेंस जैसे आपकी ये चाउमीन मेकिंग, ओके इसमें 30, 40, 50 लोग होते हैं, कुछ लोग प्रोडक्शन में है, कुछ लोग पैकिंग में है, कुछ लोग सेल में है, कुछ लोग एडवर्टीजमेंट्स में है, ठीक है। 50-60 लोगों से एक ये मैन्युफैक्चरिंग यूनिट बन जाती है। ओके सो ऐसी ही एक छोटी सी स्मॉल स्केल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग भी पालमपुर में है। The shopkeepers at Palampur, people involved in trade, exchange of goods, are not are not many in Palampur. The traders of Palampur are shopkeepers who buy various goods from wholesale market in cities and sell them in the villages. You will see small general stores in the villages selling wide range of items like wheat, rice, wheat, sugar, tea, oil, biscuits, soap, toothpaste, batteries, candle, note. So generally you see this situation in villages में ऐसे नहीं होते कि बड़े बड़े शॉपिंग कॉम्प्लेक्सेस या मार्ट्स नहीं होते जहाँ पे एक जगह केवल आपको राइस मिलेगी, एक जगह आपको केवल व्हीट मिलेगी. इट इज नॉट सच सिचुएशन. ठीक है, कैसे सेग्रीगेटेड होती, ऐसा सेग्रीगेशन नहीं होता है, सेपरेट नहीं होती है, रादर एक जनरल स्टोर होती है और उस जनरल स्टोर में सारा कुछ आपके रिक्वायरमेंट का मिलता है. आपको वहाँ लेमन भी मिल जाएगी, कैंडल्स में मिल जाएंगे, बुक, कॉपी, स्टेशनरी की भी आइटम मिल जाएगी, ग्रीन ग्रोसर की भी आइटम्स मिल जाएंगी, ग्रोसरी आइटम्स मिल जाएगी. सर्टन टाइम बहुत बेसिक मेडिसिन लाइक हेडेक, स्टमक एक, ये सारे मेडिसिन भी मिल जाएंगी. सो यू गेट ऑल द थिंग्स एट दीज स्मॉल यूनिट्स. ठीक है, ये छोटे छोटे यूनिट्स में विलेजेस में जो छोटे छोटे शॉप्स होते हैं उनमें सारा कुछ आपको एक ही शॉप पे मिल जाता है. A few families whose houses are close to the bus stands have used a part of the space to open small shops. They sell eatables. So what do they do is कुछ ऐसे भी छोटे छोटे कुछ families जो हैं उन्होंने छोटे छोटे shops भी खोल रखे हैं. वो families जो कि बस स्टॉप के नजदीक है, आप अभी भी डाल्टनगंज में भी जाके देखेंगे ऐसी घर जो बस स्टॉप के पास है, उन्होंने अपने नीचे जो एरियाज हैं उसमें eatables like chips, वाटर, योर स्नैक्स, ब्रेड, बिस्किट्स, ये सब ईटेबल्स का छोटे छोटे, टी, ये सब ईटेबल्स का छोटा छोटा शॉप्स उन्होंने खोल रखा है. So this is your another non-farm activity. Transport, a fast developing sector. A variety of vehicles on the road connecting Palampur to Raiganj, rickshaw wala, tonga wala, jeep, tractor, truck drivers, and people driving the traditional bullock cart and boggies are people in the transport services. So all the people who move goods and service, who provide services for the transport of goods and people, they are the part of your transport sector. ऐसे लोग जो या तो सामान को, गुड्स को गांव से शहर ले आते हैं या शहरों से गांव में ले जाते हैं, या लोगों को शहर से गांव और गांव से शहर लाते हैं. So these people are the people who are engaged in your transport sector. They ferry people and goods from one place to another. In return, get paid for it. The number of people involved in transport has grown over last several years. So, number of people involved in transport has grown in last few years. बहुत लोगों की ये नंबर बढ़ चुकी है इसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट इन ट्रांसपोर्ट सेक्टर. बहुत सारे लोग अब इसे भी एक अच्छी एक्टिविटी के जैसे, एक अच्छी ट्रेडिशनल एक्टिविटी की तरह एक अच्छी नॉन फार्म एक्टिविटी की तरह देखते हैं, वेयर दे कैन नॉट ओनली दे कैन एंगेज देमसेल्फ इन सेलिंग एंड बाइंग गुड्स, बट दे कैन ऑल्सो एड दीज थिंग्स. ठीक है, यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा सेल नहीं या कंजम्पशन नहीं सक्सेसफुल होता है, रादर ये केवल एक ब्रिज की तरह एक्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, आपके यहाँ एक छोटी सी स्टोरी दी हुई है किशोर की. लेट अस सी दैट. किशोर इज अ फार्म लेबरर लाइक अदर such laborers. Kishore found it difficult to meet his family needs for the wage that he received. A few years back, Kishore took a loan from the bank. This was under a government program which was giving cheap loans to poor landless household. Kishore bought a buffalo with this money. He now sells milk. Further, he has attached a wooden cart to his buffalo and uses it to transport various items. Once a week, he goes to the river Ganga to bring back clay for the potters. Or sometimes he goes to Shahpur with a load of jaggery or other commodity. Every month he gets some work to in transport. As a result, Kishore is able to earn more than what he used to do some years back. सो स्टोरी ऑफ किशोर इज गिवन. किशोर इज अ फार्म लेबरर. अगर आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ दिया हुआ दैट किशोर इज अ फार्म लेबरर, और उससे फार्मिंग से उतनी ज्यादा अर्निंग नहीं हो रही थी. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हिज इनकम वॉज लेस एंड हिज एक्सपेंडिचर वॉज मोर. सो अंडर अ गवर्नमेंट स्कीम के अंडर में किशोर ने एक लोन लिया, और उस लोन से किशोर ने क्या किया, किशोर ने एक बफलो खरीदा, और उस बफलो की मिल्क वो सेल करता, और बाद में उसी बफलो पे उसने एक कार्ट ऐड करा दिया, वुडन कार्ट ऐड करा दिया. सो इमेजिन द सेम बफलो of which he is selling the milk, now it is also working, डेयरी में भी यूज हो रहा है और ट्रांसपोर्ट में भी यूज हो रहा है. नाउ फॉर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ही गोज टू नियर बाय टाउन्स, वहाँ जागरी ट्रांसपोर्ट करता है. कभी वीक में एक बार वो गंगा रिवर में जाके वहां से क्ले ले आता है, पॉटर्स, जिससे पॉट्स बनाते हैं. ओके, सो ही इज एबल टू अर्न मोर. सो दिस इज हाउ यू सी दैट बाय एडिंग एन एडिशनल इनकम, आप अगर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा इनकम कर रहे हैं, सो एक्स्ट्रा सोर्स, एक्स्ट्रा चीजों में इन्वॉल्व हैं, सो दैट एड्स टू योर फैमिली इनकम. बाय दिस वी कम टू द एंड ऑफ द chapter, and you all know when we end the chapter, automatically the back exercises, the activity questions like this let's discuss that are given in your book is your homework. Thank you.